This right here is the future of the Roblox marketplace. Now, before everyone begins yelling at me in the comments saying, Floppy, what the are you talking about? Let me explain. Throughout these past few months, I've been working on a number of development projects and have obviously needed things to make a game come to life. Usually I would have just gone to Fiverr or a development Discord server, but recently I discovered Built by Bit, an online marketplace where developers are able to sell and purchase creations to and from other developers. These creations range from a simple script to an entire game. There are no limitations. Now, what is amazing with this is you can either be the seller of the creation or the buyer, allowing you to sell your own creations to other developers in return for real-life money.
Hello, I like money.
Built by Bit has been around for a number of years, originally specializing in Minecraft assets, but has recently expanded their marketplace to Roblox Studio, which has now allowed any developer, no matter their style of game, to find useful assets for a very reasonable price. So firstly, I'm going to be testing out a pre-made game, a game that all I need to do is simply download it and publish it to Roblox and then release it to the public. Then I'm also going to be testing out a respawn system and also a furniture asset pack, which you'll be able to use in your game somewhere. So now that I'm ready to go ahead with the purchase, I'm going to go and add each of these items to my cart, add to cart, add to cart. Now that I've got all of my items that I'm wanting to purchase inside of the cart, I'm going to go click on checkout. Once you've gone and selected your preferred payment method and also you've filled out the information, we then want to go and complete our payment. Once payment has successfully gone through, you will then receive an email confirming your purchase. Then you want to head over here to your main Built by Bit website, and then you want to head over here to your licenses, because basically what you actually go and purchase when you purchase an item via Built by Bit is the right and access to that item, or model should I say. This is also going to be the area where we actually go and download these models to use inside of our game. So I'm firstly going to be starting here with our coin clicking simulator. So I'm going to go click on our coin clicking simulator and you're able to see all the other information there. And now I'm going to go click on download now, and then this is going to download to my computer. Then once I've finished downloading it, I'm going to go and take it over to Roblox Studio and we're going to go test it out and see how good it actually is and see if it is really worth our $8.99. You then want to head over to your desktop or your files, and then you want to open up the file which you just went and downloaded. This will now load you into Roblox Studio. Alrighty, our game has finally loaded, and from what I can see already, it actually looks like a pretty well designed map. I mean, goodness me, for $8 or $9, that is really not bad. So I've just finished the setup process of the game, and only while I was actually changing and updating things and following through the instructions did I realize on how much is actually included in this purchase. I mean, literally we've got codes, we've got prizes, we've got boosts, we've got pets, we've got settings. There's so much in the game. The amazing thing about it is just how customizable it can be. You can change pretty much anything you would like. You can change literally anything. You can change the eggs, you can change the map design, you can change the color of the GUI, you can change the game passes that are here in the shop. Now the best thing about this is I did not have to individually go and place all these different bits and create the game myself. I paid a single one-time payment of $8 and I got a fully playable game that took me 10-15 minutes to completely set up. So all I really need to do now is pretty much publish the game to Roblox and then just wait to see all the Robux flowing in. It's literally that simple, and that's what I absolutely love about this pre-built game option. I'm now back here on the Built by Bit website where we went and purchased our other products. So now we're going to be moving on to our furniture asset pack. So as we did before for the main game, we're going to go and download it, and then we're going to go insert it into Roblox Studio. Alright, we are now inside of the new Roblox Studio base plate. I'm now going to go and drag the file which I went and downloaded from the Built by Bit website and insert it into Roblox Studio, and now our asset pack should have loaded in. So it should be here somewhere. There we go, it is up in here in the void. So I'm going to go and put it down there for us. And as you guys can see, I think this was about $1 worth. Considering on what was actually included in the pack, I feel it's a very reasonable price, good quality, and there is our asset pack simply done. So now that we've inserted the asset pack inside of our game, there's really nothing you need to go and do. If you want to go and separate all of this stuff, you're just going to do Control U and ungroup everything, and then you should be able to drag each individual thing by itself. So you can see here, I can grab the couch, so I'm going to go and grab the pillows. We ungroup the pillows. A lot of it seems to be grouped, so I'm going to go grab that and the main couch, and now you're able to move the couch to where you would actually like it. Alright, we are now inside of the game, and as you guys can see, It is a very simple, basic, straightforward asset pack. It seems like it's already all textured, but you can go and adjust that by just removing the texture ID. But overall, this asset pack is very good, especially if you're maybe creating like a bit of a, I guess you could say a hotel, or you're wanting to add some extra furniture inside of your Roblox Studio home. Well, this asset pack would be perfect for you. So we're finally going to be moving on to the final purchase of today, which is our respawn system underneath our Roblox scripts. So we're purchasing something that has been scripted. So all we're going to go and do is exactly what we've done for the previous two, is go download it here onto our PC and then go and insert it into Roblox Studio. So something I thought was worth mentioning is if you ever do download a file and it comes as a zipped folder or a compressed folder, and you try and open it up and you try drag the main RBXM file into Roblox Studio, it won't work simply because it's in a compressed file format. So what you need to go and do is open up that file, go and drag this into a different file, and then you'll be able to insert it. So I'm going to go and take this file here, and then I'm going to go and put it into my desktop, but you can put it wherever you would like. It's entirely up to you. But then my file is on my desktop, and then I'll be able to easily, just like I normally would, is drag the file over to Roblox Studio. Alrighty, now that we're back in Roblox Studio, I'm going to go and drag the file that I downloaded and changed from the zip file to my desktop. I'm going to go and drag that and insert that into Roblox Studio, and now you guys will be able to see you now have a new folder inside of your Explorer in your workspace. We then want to go and expand this folder, and now you're able to see every little bit of step and piece of information that we'll need to know to set this up correctly. So we've got a script here that says readme, yada yada yada, whatever is said there, and then also here is the setup, and then you can kind of change it from there, follow the steps that are mentioned there on the main thing. And a really cool feature with Built by Bit is that you're able to message the creator. So if you do have any issues along the way, you can always message them, and then they'll be able to help you kind of set it up if you do have any troubles. But alright, I'm going to go and set this up, and then I will catch up with you guys again once everything is inside of the game and our respawn system works. Alrighty, so that setup process took way less than I had initially anticipated. I mean, that literally took me a matter of 2 minutes to fully set up, and then we had a fully operational respawn system. So that was quite good. So all we had to do is literally move the models or the groups that were in here to certain areas in the game, and then just simply ungroup them. It was really, really easy, and literally a couple minutes to set it up. But anyway, to go and test it out, what we're going to go and do is I'm going to go and click here where it says play, and then I'm going to go and just escape and reset. And as you guys will be able to see, we now have our death screen with a respawn time, and then also like a little bit of a message down there. And then once that respawn has reached 0, I then go and click on the button there, and then it respawns me. So respawn, and then I'm respawned. Well, considering how long it took for us to set up, the price, and the overall result, it's a very good deal. And what is so beneficial about it is it is fully customizable. So if you want to change something, you're able to. It's entirely up to you, and you can create it just how you want it. Well, to be honest, there's not really much else I can say about those 3 purchases. All that I can say is I'm actually very impressed on the quality and the amount that was actually given to you from that single purchase. Considering the price and the time that it took to set up, it was all very efficient and quick and easy, and honestly, it's definitely something I'm going to be using a lot more in the future, simply because it's just so easy. It's so convenient. It's so convenient, especially when you've got a lot of other things to focus on, and you just want a quick respawn system. Boom! You pay $2 and you get a respawn system, or whatever the price was. It's so quick and efficient, and most importantly, very affordable, especially if you're on a tight budget when you're creating the game. A system like that, a normal respawn system, someone could charge you a couple thousand Robux for that sort of system, but here, you just got it for a couple dollars, and it took a couple minutes to set up. I mean, what more could you ask for? Well, that is pretty much it from me. If you want to find out more how Built by Built actually works, you can head down to the links in the description, and you can find out all the information there, which will link to the main website as well as their Discord server if you want to join in on some community events. Well, that is pretty much it. If you guys did enjoy today's video, I'd appreciate if you do consider subscribing to the channel, turning on the notification bell, and also do consider liking the video. I'd really appreciate it. But anyway guys, you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see everyone in the next Roblox Studio video.